I'm Kevin Higgins of Higgins & Higgins, Inc., specialized roofing and building care. We're going to view a closed copper valley in a slate roof, which is worn through. As one can see, the slate has been installed professionally and has a nice tight line between each row of slate. In between this slate and the next row is a piece of copper, and this has been worn through. When inspecting for leakage in a valley of this type, the slate has to be carefully slid so to expose the flashing beneath. As we come here, you can see a small piece of copper. As we come down lower, you'll see a dark spot to where the copper has worn away. Now that the slate has been removed, you can clearly see the hole in the copper flashing, which is not really visible by the eye unless you remove the slate. The first step in replacing this valley will be to number each slate with a place and row so it can be reinstalled in its original position at a later time. After the slate has been removed, new WR Grace ice and water shield will be installed, as well as 30-pound felt. After the felt paper has been installed, 16-ounce copper will be fabricated to fit this particular valley. It is now time to reinstall the slate. The first step is installing a piece of the copper that has been fabricated to make the valley. The slate will then be reinstalled to its original position. That step is followed for each row of slate until we reach the top, and then it is completed.
Higgins & Higgins Roofing, a vendor on ConstructionCoach.com.